This is a quick overview of what you will get with the A to Z slide deck and printable practice pages. It is a school-wide license with the hope that you will be able to share this among team members to help students working on both letter formation, identifying the letter name, the letter sound, how we form the letter, and the ASL sign, along with the printable practice pages that match the visuals from the slide deck. This is what you will get once you purchase the packet. This top link will send you to make a copy of the slide deck that you can save in your personal Google files or Google Slides files. And then this link will take you to a PDF that has the printable practice pages. This is what that looks like when it prompts you to make a copy. You can click on this and make a copy, and it will save it in your own files. This is the first 7 slides that will show up as in the slide deck. There are 58 slides altogether. It goes through the whole alphabet. Each slide has an audio button on the left that is yellow, and this will speak the letter name. So it will say A, apple, ah. So it's going through the letter name, the letter sound, and a word using that letter, the ASL sign. And on the upper right hand corner you have a thought bubble to help prompt how do we form this letter when we are writing it. And there's an audio button that can be pressed to where you can listen to the instructions. Tells you the size of the letter and where to start. The happy face indicates where to start the pencil when you are forming this letter. Each slide also has a button to go back to that full alphabet page, so you can easily toggle between letters during your lesson. And each letter will either go to the uppercase or lowercase version of that letter. The slide deck is organized alphabetically, capitals A through Z, and then lowercase a through Z, but you can toggle to any letter easily by going back to the alphabet and clicking the letter you want to go to. At the end of the slide deck, there is a letter formation chart that goes through all of the letters. These are the formation directions and the audio that accompanies each of the letters. The color coding has to do with letter sizing. So over here there's a little reference to what blue means. Those are our tall letters. They're going to touch that top line and the bottom line. Red is small letters, so they start at the dotted line and stand on the bottom line. And the yellow is those low letters, so our digging letters that go below the baseline. So this is a nice handy little reference page with letter sizing and letter formation. When you print the packet, you'll have all letters A through Z, capitals and lowercase for formation practice. Nice way to integrate the lessons from the slides onto paper. Hope it's helpful.